Plants suitable for hot and dry climates. Hey there, green friends and loyal followers of our channel. If you live in a city with hot and dry weather and you're looking for plants that can handle those tough conditions, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to explore some of the best heat-tolerant, drought-resistant plants that thrive under direct sunlight. One. Ice plant Sedum spectabile. Despite its name, the ice plant doesn't enjoy the cold. In fact, this beautiful succulent thrives in desert-like conditions. With low water requirements, high heat tolerance, and a love for full sun, it's a perfect choice for hot and dry cities. The ice plant blooms from spring to early autumn, producing lovely flowers. You can easily grow it in your home garden or outdoor green space. Two. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is known for being incredibly tough and low maintenance. It doesn't need much attention and is highly resistant to heat, high temperatures, and infrequent watering. The only thing to watch out for is its sensitivity to direct, intense sunlight. To keep your ZZ plant healthy, place it in a shaded outdoor spot or in bright, indirect light indoors. With these simple conditions, caring for a ZZ plant is a breeze. Three. Wandering Jew. Wandering Jew, also known as Zebrina, is native to South America. Not only does this plant require very little water, but it's also sensitive to overwatering. Keep in mind that during hot and sunny summer afternoons, it needs some protection from intense sunlight. Its rapid growth has made it a favorite among plant lovers. You can easily propagate up to 10 new pots from a single mother plant in just 1 year. Four. Echinocactus. Caring for the Echinocactus, also known as the golden barrel cactus, is incredibly easy. All it needs is plenty of sunlight and minimal watering to thrive.
Interestingly, ancient Native Americans considered this cactus a symbol of the rain god. While it may seem odd to associate a desert cactus with rain, there's a deeper meaning behind it. Due to its large size and structure, the Echinocactus acts as a natural water reservoir in the desert. Five. Rosemary. Rosemary is a hardy, evergreen perennial that thrives in both very cold and extremely hot, dry climates. It's not only highly resistant to tough conditions but also known for its amazing fragrance. This makes rosemary a great choice for gardeners looking for both beauty and resilience in one plant. Six. Haworthia. Haworthia is one of the most well-known succulents in the world. Native to South Africa and the Eastern Cape region, this plant is highly tolerant of drought and hot weather. There are around 100 species of Haworthia, some with hard, green leaves, and others with softer, translucent ones. Buying a Haworthia is a smart choice for anyone living in hot and dry regions looking for a low-maintenance and attractive plant. Seven. Fan palm. The fan palm, also known as the Chinese fan palm, is a sun-loving plant. Its strong tolerance to direct sunlight makes it a great choice for hot and dry cities. However, its main weakness is sensitivity to drought. To prevent the tips of the leaves from drying out or burning, the soil should be kept consistently moist. Eight. Yucca. Yucca, also known as the dagger plant, is a stylish and decorative plant perfect for homes and offices. It originates from Mexico and the United States. With its large, long, and pointed leaves, yucca is very well suited for hot and dry regions. You can keep this plant outdoors throughout the year. One important tip is to avoid placing yucca in spots with intense direct sunlight or behind glass windows, as this can harm the plant. Euphorbia. Euphorbia is a hardy perennial plant known for its easy care and resistance to diseases, making it very popular among plant lovers. With over 200 species of Euphorbia, you can be sure there's a variety suited to your local climate. This plant is also very easy to propagate, and interestingly, the more cuttings you take, the more attractive and fuller the mother plant becomes. Ficus Amstel. Ficus Amstel, also known as Ficus alii, belongs to the Moraceae family. This plant has narrow, elongated leaves that resemble those of the eucalyptus tree and features aerial roots. Keep Ficus Amstel in bright areas but away from direct sunlight. This plant loves warmth and can be kept outdoors during all seasons except summer. Aphelandra. Aphelandra, also known as the zebra plant, is a great choice for warm homes with dry air. If you live in desert cities, having an Aphelandra in your apartment is a special and suitable option. The beauty of this plant lies in its green leaves with white stripes running along the veins. It needs bright but indirect light and high humidity to thrive. Aphelandra grows best in temperatures between 18 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius, 64 degrees Fahrenheit to 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Plumbago. Also known as blue jasmine, plumbago is a shrub-like plant with clusters of flowers that resemble those of phlox and have a beautiful blue color. Its leaves are arranged alternately. This plant is well suited for warm to semi-warm climates and can produce stunning blue flowers under the right conditions. It's best to protect plumbago from cold weather. Propagation can be done easily through cuttings or seeds. Don't forget, in hot cities, using pots with good drainage and proper watering is very important. If you have any experience caring for these plants, be sure to share it with us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.